pair of them. Huh. He's just all over the place. Cute little guys. God, what a mess out here. Without Lydia to make me do things, everything just kind of goes to hell. Making supper. Just kind of bumming along through life. He's mad because they live in that little house above my head. We put that up there, I don't know, 10 years ago. Found it at an antique store and Lydia liked it, so we bought it. I said, well, it doesn't have a clean out spot, so whatever's in there is going to stay. I'm not going to disassemble it because it might not go back together again. But those little wrens come back every year. I usually only see one. This year there's two.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.